Understanding refresh rates is essential for optimizing your PS5 gaming experience with a Sceptre monitor. Let's explore what refresh rates are and how they impact your gameplay. Refresh rate, measured in hertz, indicates how many times per second your monitor updates the image on screen. A 60 Hz monitor refreshes 60 times per second, while a 120 Hz monitor refreshes 120 times per second. This visual demonstrates how higher refresh rates create smoother motion. Notice how the cursor positions are closer together at higher refresh rates, resulting in more fluid movement. Higher refresh rates provide three key gaming advantages: smoother motion in fast-paced games, reduced input lag for quicker response times, and enhanced visual fluidity that gives competitive players an edge. The PlayStation 5 supports multiple refresh rates depending on resolution. It can output 1080p and 1440p at both 60 Hz and 120 Hz, and 4K at 60 Hz or 120 Hz when using HDMI 2.1 connectivity. HDMI connectivity is crucial for achieving higher refresh rates. HDMI 2.0 supports up to 4K at 60 Hz or 1440p at 120 Hz, while HDMI 2.1 enables 4K at 120 Hz and provides the bandwidth needed for the best gaming experience. When choosing a Sceptre monitor for your PS5, ensure it supports your desired refresh rate and resolution combination. Check that your HDMI cable is rated for the bandwidth you need, and verify that both your monitor and cable support the refresh rate you want to achieve. First, we'll configure your Sceptre monitor. Use the physical buttons or remote control to access the monitor's on-screen display menu. Navigate to the Display Settings section. Look for options labeled Display, Input, or Picture, depending on your Sceptre model. Select your desired refresh rate from the available options. Common choices include 60 Hz, 75 Hz, 120 Hz, or 144 Hz, depending on your specific Sceptre monitor model. Enable gaming mode to reduce input lag and optimize response time. This setting is crucial for competitive gaming performance. Now we'll configure the PlayStation 5 console settings to work optimally with your Sceptre monitor. On your PS5, navigate to Settings, then Screen and Video, and select Video Output to access the display configuration options. Set the resolution to Auto for automatic detection, or manually select 1080p, 1440p, or 4K based on your monitor's capabilities and desired performance. Choose the refresh rate setting. Select Automatic to let the PS5 detect the best option, or manually select from available rates supported by your monitor. Enable Variable Refresh Rate, or VRR, if your Sceptre monitor supports this feature. VRR eliminates screen tearing and provides smoother gameplay. For optimal performance, ensure you're using a high-speed HDMI cable and configure the color space settings appropriately. Use a high-speed HDMI cable, preferably HDMI 2.1, for the best bandwidth and feature support. Premium cables ensure stable signal transmission at higher refresh rates. Adjust color space settings based on your monitor specifications. Use RGB limited for most monitors, or RGB full if your Sceptre monitor specifically supports it. When properly configured, you'll experience significantly smoother motion and reduced input lag, especially noticeable in fast-paced gaming scenarios.